Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Super Center, and we're taking a look at the 2015 GMC Sierra 1500 in an SLT trim and powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Coming with a bit of a lift installed, as you can probably tell, giving you quite a bit more height, fender flares, steps down below so you can have an easier time getting in, vent shades on the windows, a soft top tonneau cover to keep your belongings covered and protected. But let's take a look inside. Accommodate any other cargo, and in the middle you have fold out armrests with two cup holders as well as a 12-volt power outlet right there. And this truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as two memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 146,281 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, trip A and B information, fuel range, oil life, tire pressures, fuel economy, engine hours, transmission, temperature, off-road status, and then a blank screen. You have your audio, phone, and nav controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls, as well as your heated steering wheel button, and then you have your radio controls on the back side of the steering wheel. Moving further to the left, you have your trailer brake controller and 4x4 controls with 4 auto and your light controls. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is Radio Sirius. And then media-wise, you also have, I believe, Bluetooth, USB, and auxiliary. And then shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Before I forget, you do also have a premium Bose sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down from your screen, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, as well as heated front seats. And you've got your power adjustable pedals, traction control shutoff, cargo box lights, park assist sensor shutoff, and hill descent assist. Then you have here 3 USBs, 2 12-volt power outlets, and a 115-volt power outlet, I believe. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, as well as your tow haul mode button at the end of the stock. Moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders, this large bin, and then your center compartment / armrest, with a ton of room inside, including 2 USBs, auxiliary, SD card slot, and another 12-volt power outlet. So you can hook up your audio or plug something into power or charge from there. Then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least, you have a power moonroof so you can live in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.